Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I just wanted to show you how the API keys have actually changed when you are generating your own API keys. So within your Atlassian account, you actually go for the security, you click for create to manage the API keys. And these are some of the things that have been created. So it's saying API tokens without scopes are being deprecated. We encourage creating the more secure API tokens with scopes whenever possible. So when you're actually doing without scope, it gives you the default screen where you're actually creating your API token and you're defining when it's actually expiring. But with creating the API with scopes, and I'm going to name this API with a scope, and I can define the end date in here. And when I'm actually done with this, now I can actually go and click on next. Now, this is something that is pretty interesting in here because you can select the app where you actually want to apply this. Either you're going to be applying this for Jira or for Confluence. Let's go with Jira. All right, so we have a lot of stuff in here. So first of all, it's saying the minimum number of scopes a token may be assigned is 50. So you actually need to be thinking about what kind of scopes you actually want to, add. So first of all, we have 324 results. Okay, that is a lot of results in there. So first of all, what it's actually saying here, what you can actually do is, for example, delete the attachment in Jira, delete system. Oh, it's not defining it. Also, we have some delete board scope, delete board configuration settings, features, and properties. This is now all for delete. All right, so what else do we have in here? We have for the comment, and there is like the comment property of Jira. I'm not sure what actually this is, but okay. There's option to delete the dashboards. There is also the dashboard properties, deployment info, basically a lot of stuff in here when it comes to deleting, because think about it. When it comes to the APIs, you have get, post, put, and delete. So these are basically that we're defining. So what else I can choose? I can choose the field configuration scheme. I can go with fields. I can go with more. If I want to go with more results, give me the more results. So let us go for something a bit different. Okay, we're on the read section now. That is interesting. And also the manage. So we can manage the Jira configuration. And it's saying take Jira administration actions. So it's giving us this description right here, which is great. Create and edit project settings. This is actually great. Manage development to release information for third parties in Jira. So also you have required to view user profiles, read app data, and this is read connect app properties data. Probably this is going to be deprecated because the connect apps are being migrated to the Forge apps. So this right here will probably be deprecated. Okay, we have application roles. We have read audit log. That is okay. So a lot of read stuff in here. So let us see in here. Yeah, we have also to write the write option. So let's go with write board scope of Jira, move issues to a backlog, and from a backlog to a board scope, build info, create update and delete builds, if this is something that you're actually interested in. And this is for Jira Service Management. So it's taking into account all of the Jira family products, not only Jira, but also the Jira Service Management. Yeah, so a lot of things in here. Write issue Jira, create and update issues. Sure, create and update stuff. Let me add something. Yeah, that's enough. And we have defined in here, actually done with it. So the thing is, now what you actually want to do is you want to save your API token somewhere. When you actually save your API token somewhere, you cannot basically access it anymore. So you need to save it. But with any time, you can view the scopes. Basically, that is everything that you needed to know about the API without and with the scopes within the Jira itself. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.